Hello everyone. Please wait for 5 minutes as people are joining. So we'll continue after 5 minutes. Okay.
Good evening, everyone.
Good evening, sir.
I'm audible to you all.
Good evening.
Yeah.
Good evening, sir.
Good evening, beta. Good evening. So, all are you in the last session also?
Yes.
Deepti, you are in last session?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So, yesterday I given you some task, no?
Yes, sir. I tried, but I'm not getting that particular answer.
You are not getting. Anyone getting the particular answer using if condition or any other condition? Anyone have tried or not? You guys have tried or not? Deepti tried. And what about others? Sahil, Kishore, Varshit. Pallavi, Nuja. You guys tried or not? Students, please unmute yourself.
No, sir.
Please.
Actually, I was not part of yesterday's session, so.
Okay, no issues, no issues. I'm asking those who were the part in last session, right?
Yeah.
Yes,
Understood.
I've tried. Bhumi here.
Okay, okay. So no one got the answer, no?
Hello. So
Yes,
Bhumi
yes,
here. I've
yes,
tried.
Bhumi. Yeah,
Yeah. So I tried it with the if condition,
yeah,
and like we went with the increasing order.
yeah.
So I tried with the increasing order of the like it was 40 then 50%.
Right, right, right,
Okay.
right.
So I put the result. Result was already taken, and then I put a percentage less than or equal to. Instead of 40, I took 49. Instead of
Okay,
50, I took 59. So it gave
okay.
me the same answer.
You got the same answer? Please, can
Yeah,
you
yeah.
share your screen and can you show?
Sir, I'm doing it on the phone actually. I don't have it
Okay,
on
okay,
the
no
screen.
issues. I'm opening the screen. I'm sharing the screen. Please tell me the way how to do, and
Yeah,
I
sure.
will make it right. So let's see
Sure.
we can
Sure.
do that way or not. Okay. So
Yes, sir.
let me share my screen. My screen is visible to all of you.
Yes. Yes.
Okay. So this was the sheet we are doing, and I asked you to do grade 2, right? So what I'm doing, just copy pasting previous code to the grade 2 and tell me what modification do I need, right? Okay. So the code is copied now. Tell me. So L15 fail will be same, right?
Yes.
This will be same. And okay.
Then
So
J15 for the start. If J15 is less than or equal to 49.
wait. Actually, what is happening? It's taking J here because I have added this cell. So I have to
Okay.
place J. I have to write I. Okay. So I'm placing I instead of J. You understood why I'm changing this? Because
No.
percentage column is I.
Yeah. Okay.
Yeah. It was taking result one column. That is why I'm changing it to.
Yeah. So I15 less than or equal to
Just a
49.
second. Just a
Okay.
second. Just I'm changing it. Okay. Yes, I have changed all the J into I. Okay. Now tell me. So you are saying this I have to convert it to less than
Less than or equal to 49.
less than or equal to 49.
Yeah. That will give us E. Grade
Okay.
E.
Grade E. Yes.
Yeah. Then this will be 59.
Okay.
that will be grade D.
Right.
C is the same.
C would be same, but I have to change the sign or not?
Yeah, change the sign, obviously.
Yeah.
Less than and
Two. How much? 69?
then, yes,
Okay. And in last, second
this
last.
will be less than or equal to 79.
Something. Then it is
B.
B.
And then less than or equal to 89 we can put, and then E.
89. If the grade, if
Or
the any
100.
score is coming,
Or 100, yeah, 100.
100 is the maximum, no? So
Yeah,
no one can get more than 100, right?
yeah. That would
Then
be A.
grade A. Okay. Now I'm entering it and seeing what I'm getting the same answer or not. Yes, it is same. And very good, Bhumi. You have done the right
Thank you,
job.
sir.
Right.
Thank you.
So I just tell you this that concept is exactly same, but just yes. Anyone saying something? Okay, no issue. So what I'm saying that you are writing 49 or equal to, right? So you can keep it at like 50 or don't write equal to. It has the same meaning, na? If you are saying I-15 is less than 50, it means I-15 should be equal to 49 or less than 49. You are getting my point, Bhumi?
Yes. This will also do, sir.
Right.
Yes.
Yeah. So going for the different numbers can make anyone confused also. So that is why what I'm saying, make it. Yes. Okay. So I think will change. I can do this also. Answer will be same. Okay. So everyone got it? How we done it? Grade 2. If anyone have question that you don't understand how we did it, so please let me know. Anyone? All of you have understood?
Yes, sir.
Everyone, na? It is simple.
Yes.
Okay. So now this is complete. How we have calculated all the parameters of our class 12th students, right? Now I will tell you some conditional formatting, how we can make it more visible, right? Right, because all the numbers are in the same color, right? And if I have to see the sheet and I have to directly find it that which student is fail in which subject. So it will be more easier if I make them in different color, right? Make them in different font or something, anything, conditional formatting if we do, right? So we will do some coloring and all. How we are doing, I will show you, right? So first of all, I'm selecting all the 5 subjects, right? So we are selecting different cells according to the criteria, right? All subjects are same and the criteria of passing all the subjects are same, right? That is why I'm selecting all the 5 subjects marks, right? Now there are 3 kind of students, right? One is those are fail, right? Second, those are very weak, right? On the basis of percentage, we can see them, right? And one are those are very sharp, right? We can say those are getting above 80%, right? And rest are those are mediocres, right? That average students, right? So we have to highlight 3 kinds of students, right? You can select the color. Obviously, we select the red color for the failure students. It is the obvious color for failure students, right? So we will select that for the failure students. But you can tell me about the weaker students, which color we should apply, and for the brightest students marks, yeah, brighter marks, yeah, good marks students, which we have to highlight, right? Which marks we have to have highlighted, right? So you can tell me. First, I'm highlighting all the failures that all the students getting less than 33 marks, right? Those are fail. So I'm going to conditional. First, I'm selecting all the cells of the marks, right? Then I'm going to the conditional formatting, and then there is written highlight cell rules, right? So there is a rules greater than, less than, between. So I'm preferring to go to the less than first, because I have to highlight those student marks. Those are fail, right? So I'm pressing less than, and is asking me how much less than, right? So I'm giving him less than 33, right? And which color it should be? It should be light red filled with the dark red text. So it is good, right? It is, and you can change it according to you. If you want another color, yellow with dark yellow text, or green with dark green text, light red fill, red text, red border, or you can custom. How you custom? You can see here. You just have to select the color and apply. You will got that color. Okay. So what I'm doing, I'm just filling with this, the failure students. Okay. You got it? So these are the marks in which student A is failed in physics, B is failed in physics and English, and G is failed in physics, chemistry, and maths. So is it very easy to see? Easy to find out? Is it so?
Yes.
Yes. So this is the way, right? Now what I'm doing? Now I'm selecting for other students. Those are weak, right? So what can you say that the students which are between 33 and 40, you can say that, or you can select with 50. You can say for 50, right? Those are getting marks between how much? 33, between 33 and 50. So we'll take 51, right? So that 50 will be included. And yeah, okay, take it 50, so that 49 will come, right? And here we will take 32, right? Because if a person is just passing, no, so he will come in the weak student, 32. Okay, so we will color with which color? Tell me, yellow or green, or you will want to custom the format?
Yellow color.
Yellow color. Okay, so yeah, coloring in yellow. So those are the weak students. Okay, now what I have to do? I have to just again for the bright students greater than. Okay, so greater than what? 80, right? Any students getting 80, then we will green it. Okay. See, you can see this. By this coloring method, you can easily find out which student is good in which subject, or in weak in which subject. Easily, you can see. It is visible, very much visible. Is that so? I think color coding
Yes.
is not applied here, right? Let me do it. No, we applied, but there is no student like good, weak, or failure, right? So that is why it's not taking. Okay, now coming to the total, right? So on the basis of score also, right? Who's getting very low score, right? You can do this the same thing here also, or you go for the percentage line also, right? So I'm not going for the total because it is not necessary to make it here. We can directly see the percentage also, because we have, if we have 100 of students, so it will be highlighted according to percentage, then it will be more easier to us, right? So now I'm going for the conditional formatting and doing the same. Less than, if any student is having less than 40%. Less than 40% is also failure, right? So that is why I'm making it red, right? See, and greater than 80. Okay, only one student is there. And then for the weaker student, in between 40 to 50. So is that clear to you all?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Right? So is it very easy to analyze it, right? And you can do the same thing in other cells also, so that it will be very easy to visible that which student is weak in any subject, right? Now, what is happening that if you are in a college, right? If you are doing a subject, or you are in a company, or you're doing something like this, you have a different department like mechanical, electrical, and you are making sheet like this, right? Their performance sheet and anything like this, right? And you are told to make, you are getting the data department wise differently, right? You are not getting uh, all the data simultaneously, or you are getting the first department data at a time, right? And you don't have time to in the future time that you can again make that same report again, right? You are not available for the making any again and again this kind of applying formula, these reports, right? So what you do, you have a there is a format that you can convert this table, right? Convert this all the result in a table, right? How you can see what is the benefit of those doing this thing, that you have applied for a 10 students, right? You applied for the 10 employees, you got the data, right? And after that you got the data of thousands of employees, right? So what you have to do, you don't have to uh, make a formula again, you have to apply a formula again, make again sheet, then you have to combine it. You just have to copy paste here, right? But when you copy paste directly here, you will not get the right answer. You will not it will not apply everywhere. You have to again apply the formula. So what you do, you just have to convert it into a table, right? How you have to do, you just have to select all the cells of your table, right, like this, and go to the format table, right? It will give you different format, right? You can select any and see, and it is asking me to the range, right, of the table. So I have already selected the table, whole table. So you have to just press the OK button and see you have got the in the table format, right? So what are the benefits of this? I will tell you. See, if I am adding anything, right? When K, right? So everything comes in that format only. You just have to write the marks. If he got the marks 40, and now there is 64, then in this is getting 72, and he's getting 93, and then he's getting 44, right? So see, all the things come automatically, all the calculations coming automatically or not?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Students, are you getting my point? You don't
Yes.
have to do anything else,
Yeah.
right? Just you have to copy paste all the other records, right? And you can get the result. Vaishali, you have any question? Vaishali, you have raised your hand. Okay. So this is the way how we can make our work very easy and very in a less time, right? We can do, and it is not necessary that you are doing for a 10 students, or you can do for a one student, one employee also, right? If you are applying for a one employee, convert into a table, format into a table, and then paste it other informations of different employees or students, right? You got the format. And what is the benefit of this, right? Let me tell you. If anyone is asking, right, you have to you have to mail the report, right, to any student's home, right? And they were asking about, and you have to make the confidential that no other students' information should be shared, right? Then what you have to do, you just have to go to student name, right? See, there is option of selecting all the students, or you have to deselect all the students and then just select a student. You have to send the result to only student A's home, right? So what you got? You get only the result of A, right? And you can just mail it to their home via mail or via anything, WhatsApp, anything, right? So no other students will be shared. So this is the way make your work very easy, right? In anywhere where you are, right? So this is used in most of the places, working places, when you are working here. And if you know this, I think you will be appreciated for your work, right? So you all got it?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Okay. If you want to deselect, then you can go for the Control Z option. This was the table. Some modification you can do. You can insert the table also. Everyone know how to insert the table? Insert the, sorry, row or column. If you want to insert the above, then you go to the down row and get in insert, right? And then you can merge it so that you can write the heading. And you can write it. As well, reserve. Next, you can increase the length also. There's a heading, so you can yes, right, and you can even complete this table also by bordering it. Just a second. You have to give the border lines, all borders, right? That's what we are pending. So you can do these changes according to you. You can also color this average marks also, right? And maximum marks, where is maximum is highest, right? So all the things you can do, right? You all got it,
Yes, sir.
Yes.
right? If anyone have doubt regarding this, please let me know. There is so many techniques, so many things that you can do it, right? So is it up to you that how you are exploring yourself? And it can be teach in not in a single session, right? You have to join our regular classrooms also, right? So go and register yourself, right? So we can easily make different Excel sheets, or we can go expert in Excel, right? You can find your job in your right place, right? So that is all from my side today's. If you have any doubts regarding what we have taught in last 4 days, right, you can ask me. If you have any questions regarding anything, right, you can ask. No questions? Any student have any question? You guys don't have any question?
No, sir.
Okay, this understood. If, how to use if and if or and if condition.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Everything is clear what I taught in last 3 sessions, 4 sessions.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So you have a attendance form in your chat box. So please fill it so you can get the certificate for the attending the sessions.
Sir, next workshop will be regarding Python.
Ask the team. I think free that at the demo sessions is I think over. Now you have to register for the sessions, right? So we can go for the regular classes and we can go for each topic in a detail, right? Because what I taught in the 3-4 sessions, right, it is very basic and it is a some limited version, right? I'm not going in the detail way, right? Because it is the demo sessions, right? But when you come in the regular session, you will get to know everything, right? Every possibilities, right? Everything that how do you do this, right? So you have to register now for the regular sessions. Then only you will have to get the different modules, know about the different modules. Okay. If you have any doubt, you can ask the team. You can ask me also right now, right? Regarding the course, regarding the syllabus of the course, what we are covering in our uh, course, right? You can ask.
This regular sessions at what time it will be there? It will be there.
See, it will be according to you, you are comfortable. So when you register, right? So today, as you can see, we have 40 students in our session, right? All are not registered yet, right? So as you register, we will ask you also that what is your comfortable time, right? You will be suggested, I think, two or more, 2, 3 time ranges, right? So you can select that where you are comfortable and where others are comfortable, because we have other students from um, outside India also, right? So you have to think about that also. So first you register, right? But we will do according to your comfortable also. You are working professional or you are a student?
Working professional.
Okay. So at what time you come back from office? When you reach home in the evening?
No, usually it will be at 7:30, 8 o'clock, 8 o'clock something.
8 o'clock. Okay. So
Yeah.
before 8, you cannot take the session, no?
Yeah,
Okay.
correct.
Okay. So is it okay if you will go for 10 to 12 or 9:30 to 11:30?
Yeah. Yeah, that is fine. Yeah.
Yeah, that will be fine. No? So that will be concluded after asking all the students that had been registered now. So we are looking forward for that. So go and register so that we can ask those students who are registered. Right now, many students have not registered yet. So we are waiting for this only. So that will be the last thing, right? If you have any question regarding this.
And we are providing discount till tomorrow. So we have done with around 9 or 10 admissions till now. So we also looking for some students, like we only take 15 to 20 students per batch. So those who are interested to join now, they can reach out to team. Number is given. If you want this training now, you can also fill the attendance sheet. Our executive will call you tomorrow. He will explain you everything about the training. And we also providing this discount and everything, so you can connect with them tomorrow and you can make the admission confirmation. If anyone having any doubt now, they can ask in this training session regarding training,
Yes.
placement assistance, everything.
Yeah. Tomorrow also you will have the session, but you can ask their question also. I might be there or not, but
Yeah,
Ankush sir will be there.
tomorrow we having session with Ankush 𝐿𝐲 sir.
Ankush sir.
Otherwise
Yes.
I will take the session.
Yes. So any doubt you are regarding the sessions or timings and module and everything, you will get the answer. But today also, if you have any doubt, you can ask me. Okay. Anyone have any doubt? Deepti, have you registered?
No, sir, not yet.
Okay. Bhumi, you?
Hello, sir.
Yes, Anja. Yes.
Sir, actually, I want to see the formula of result 2 and 3.
Okay. You want to see the
Yeah,
formula?
formula.
You want to also know or you want to just see?
No, just want to see for
Okay.
practice, then I'll afterward.
Okay. I will share the sheet. You need this sheet? This Excel
Uh,
spreadsheet you want?
yeah,
Okay. I will share it. Just a second.
yeah, sure, sir.
I'm sharing in the chat box. Okay. You will have it.
So, sir, in that, will I be able to see the formulas of this all result,
Yes.
grade, and
Yes.
that
You have to open in
thing?
your laptop and just click
Yeah,
it here,
okay.
right? Which result
Yes,
formula? This result formula, then it will be like this,
yes,
right? You
yes,
will have this.
sure.
Then this result 2
Yeah,
formula, this is result 3 formula, this is grade 1 formula, this is grade 2 formula, right? You all can see this, right?
yes, sure. Thank you,
Okay.
sir.
So I'm sending it to your chat. Just a second. Okay, just a second.
Ankur sir, I have shared one Canva. Can we explain that modules to the students? That's
Yeah,
all the
definitely.
things are available in the training, right?
Yeah, yeah.
Yeah.
Okay. So I have shared the Excel sheet. You can download it to your system so that you can see whether also this file. Okay. So our course is 3 months for data analytics, right? It is specialized for data analytics, right? So we have 5 modules here, right? First is Excel, then SQL, then stats, then Python, then Power BI. It will be the sequence of training, right? So in Excel, you have seen, see, what is the thing I have in first session, I have told you in Power BI also. Our task is to handle the data, right? The biggest problem in our everywhere in all over the world, right now is to handle the data. How you can use, because it is in the garbage form. Every company has lots of data. They are managing lots of data, but right now it is in garbage form, right? And what we have to do, you know, everything is useful if you can make it use of it, right? So if you I'm saying about any company having data, right? They are running their uh, current situation and they are storing their every data. So how we can use that data, right? So AI told us that if you learn that data now, then you can predict the future values, right? In of that company, of that with that data, right? About the future aspects of that company. So data is very important to us, right? So we have to learn how to deal with data. So data analytics, data engineering, data science, and everything is all about data, right? So how to manage it, how to uh, take use of it, right? So what we are doing, we have current data and the previous data also. So previous data is used for training the models, right? Like we have to train the model with different machine learning models. That comes in data science, right? But data analytics comes for the current data. If you have a company data, right, you have to see what is happening, how what is the profit of our current year sale or the current month sale, right? And we have to see different aspect regarding with the help of data. So you can see with you can use data analytics and you can see easily by using Excel, by using Power BI, right? And by using Python also. Its stats are the basics of for the machine learning or for the different business problems that you can handle accurately, right? That is there you use stats, right? Power BI, Excel use for the showcasing your data analytics abilities, right? How you can visualize your data, how you can more effectively or more accurately can you can see or analyze data, because you cannot analyze anything with the data, right? You can see if you have thousands of numbers or millions of numbers, right? If I'm saying you have a sheet with thousands of, you can analyze it, you cannot analyze it. But if I make a graph or graphical representation with the help of that data, you will easily understand it, how the graph is going up. If the graph is going up, yes, the sales is going up, I think, right? I'm taking an example, right? Similarly, if the graph is not good, so how we can improve it, where it is lagging, at what time it is lagging. So any decision you can make on the basis of that data, if you have that picture view of this or graphical view of that data. So our task is to clean the data and then make the visualization in data analytics, right? But the task is main is to clean the data. 80% work is to clean the data because the data is very garbage. Some information is there, some information is not there. So you have to handle those missing values also, and how you have to handle it so that it cannot treat it as a garbage values, right? So everything you will come to know when you will understand it, when you will learn it, how to do that. So you will understand. So for that, you have to register for data analytics course so that you can understand and manage the speed of the our current uh, uh, what I can say that current speed of every students are learning for AI or going for the AI platform, right? So because you cannot match the you cannot get success without this, right? If you are going in any field, AI is there, data analytics is there. If I'm saying for last before last 10 years back, right? So no company is having data analytics or data science department in their company, right? What they are doing outsourcing for this work, right? But now every company is have their data engineer, data analytics part in data science part in department in their own company. So that is why demand is very high for everyone, right? So you have to learn it, right? If you want success in your career. So I suggest you to register it so that you can get the upskill yourself, right? And get the job. Okay. Any questions? This is from my side.
Like what is the difference between data engineering and data analyst?
See, data engineer, all over work is data, how to deal with data, right? But section is divided. If I'm saying about data analytics, right? Data analytics, what is doing? Data analytics is dealing with the current data, cleaning the data, and visualizing the data, right? It's not predicting anything. But when comes to about the data, what data engineer is doing? So data engineer is doing collecting the data. How data analytics get the data? From the data engineer. Data engineer is making the pipeline, because every data is not in any hard disk or anywhere. There is in a cloud, right? So they make pipelines to get the data, right, and collect the data, and they transfer data to the data analytics department. Okay, when data analytics clean it, and then they transfer to the data science department to make the machine learning model so that they can predict any value, future value, with the help of that data. Understood? So these are the
Yeah.
different roles of data engineer, data analytics, and data science department. So somewhere you have to do everything in a startup jobs, right? In a startup companies, and somewhere you have to do the specific work that you have to assign, that you have assigned, right? So it depends in which department you have to go. When you learn it, then you will get to know that where you have interest. It's like engineering, that you are going for CS department or mechanical department or electrical department. Every state is engineering, na? But department is different. Okay.
So is it necessary to have knowledge on data engineering before doing data analyst?
No, not. But you must have basic knowledge of mathematics, I must say, right? And some analytic thinking, that you can think about something that if anyone giving you a situation, then you must know how to get rid of it. Not typical situation. I'm not talking about that world war situations. I'm talking about simple situation, that if there is that anyone can think about it, right? I'm talking about average students. Average student can uh, do this course, right? But you must have to learn, you have to upskill yourself, and you have to practice more. You cannot say that anyone doing in 2 hours this thing, then I also can do. If you are have not basic concepts in mathematics or something, so you have to do some hard work. But after course, or after doing a course with good efforts, you can be on the same page with other students also, bright students also. The main thing is upskilling yourself. You have to know this technique. There's nothing that you have to good in mathematics, you have to solve lengthy questions, nothing like that. You have to just learn the technique. And if see, everything is automated, right? For everything, there is a machine learning model or something. Every day, I told you about if you know attended Power BI webinar. So there's nothing technical. You have to just learn what are the methods, what are the steps to click. If you are going for the computer, right? Uh, uh, Remember that those days when you have just seen first time your computer, right? You were scared that how I have to on it, I have to shut down it, and how I have to click the mouse with the mouse, right? So you have lots of questions. But now I'm saying how you have to deal with the computer, you are very easy with it, right? Because you know the steps, right? You, if even if you don't know the basics of computer or inside what is going on, right? So then only you are very comfortable, because nowadays it is very easy. You have learned the steps, that how you have to open the file, how you have to search in the Google bar, right? How you have to open the Google, where you have to open. So everything you got to know after learning the steps, right? So that is the thing of in Power BI also, in data analytics also. You must know some basics in typical situations. You must know that where we have to apply this, where we have to apply this. But that also we have some loops that you can get the right answer. Yes, we have Chat GPT. We have many AI operated that platforms, right? There we get the correct answer for every situations. Okay, understood?
Yeah, okay,
So,
thank you.
Yeah.
So,
Yes, please.
sir, I would like to know what basics a person must have to become a data analyst using Python.
Okay.
What are the basics that I should have to become a data analyst using Python?
Data analysis in Python, no?
Yeah.
I think you should be past class 12th, right? And graduation in any manner, right? I don't think anything that you have not learned till 10th class. If you are an art student also, you know how to add 2 plus 2 and 4 plus 3 and some probability questions you must know. But I will make it very easy in stats if you come, and I will make it very easy to think about it, how to do it. Because this knowledge you have to understand, right? But practically you don't have to apply it. I'm telling you, you have to learn what is stats, right? But you will learn it, right? But you don't have to apply it because everything is in the codes. No, you don't. The everything is happening behind the algorithms. You don't have to make the algorithms. If you are going for the algorithm, why stats is teaching in the course? Why we are teaching stats? Because if anyone wants to go for the research, right? If anyone want to go to make the algorithms, right? So he must know now about the statistics, right? But you have to just work on it, right? So what is happening behind the that codes, what is happening behind the models, that you know that yeah, this logic is happening. You don't have to apply your mind there. Everything is automated, everything is there, every model is made. We have achieved 100% accuracy, so what else left? Nothing is there to there is the part to research it or improve it. So you have to just follow the steps, how to do it, and some analytical knowledge about the what is happening behind the codes. That's all.
Okay, sir. Is the statistics then?
Yeah, yeah. Anything. It will be, it is easy. I will make it easy. Don't worry.
And sir, what is the difference between the database and data analysis, and what will be the
Database is a cloud storage space, right? You have a space that you can store it for permanent storage. You can say cloud storage, like database. Okay, you cannot change anything. You have to change with SQL only, query language, right?
and sir, what to choose? Which one is better for career? We are the new actually in infotech fields.
Okay, so in which department you want to choose? What you are asking? Please
We
ask
are
again.
from manufacturing unit.
Okay, so
We are
don't
in
worry. See, SQL, we are telling you SQL. See, there are many modules, right? 5 modules, and you will get the job for a particular module, right? If you are doing data analysis, right? You got the job for data analysis. So might be their company is using Python for data analysis. Might be they are using Power BI for data analysis. Might be they are using Excel for the data analysis. You select one technology, na? You will not apply everything. If you are working for a company and they are using Power BI, and you are saying that I have learned Excel also, so please use it. So is that so? No, no. You have learned lots of things, so you have many options, right, to get the job. We are not telling any particular technology that you can apply for this only. If any company is having uh, making analysis through Excel, you are fit for that. If they are making analysis through Python, you are fit for that. If they are making analysis through Power BI, you are fit there also. Right? Stats is the basic thing. SQL, somewhere you are applying for the data analysis, right? Somewhere business analysis also there. So business analysis completely based on query language, right? They use SQL, they use different uh, uh, database management services also, right? For their that their companies are using. So they are patented or they are paid services. So it depends. Okay, so it depends on their company also. But we are giving you all the basics of every module so that you can fit for anywhere in the job.
Sir, I got this. I got your point, but my question is, because the Learnomate providing 2 course, the next in March, Oracle DBA will be start. So what
I
to
cannot answer
choose?
for this. This you will get the answer from Ankush sir. Tomorrow he will take the session. Right. I'm teaching data analysis, so I will take the side of data analysis, data science, and it is better than Oracle. Okay.
Okay, sir. Okay.
I will be
Yeah,
biased.
if you can do one thing, you can just call me. I will explain you everything.
Yes.
Yeah, who's this? Is Kamlesh, right?
Sir, yeah, sir. Sir, what is the
Yeah.
total duration of the course hours in?
For data analyst and data science and Oracle DB,
No,
it is
no,
3 months.
no, sir. I am specific about data analyst.
It is 3 months.
3 months hours, sir, in calculation of hours.
Hello.
In calculation of hours, sir. I am
Yeah,
specific about.
it is around Ankush sir, it is around 50 plus, right?
No, 120, I think it is one calculated. We have 5 days in a week, right? And
150. But in between course, you will provide me industry project or complete projects.
see, you will get the live projects also. Some we will discuss it and we will solve it, right? Everything what we can do for you, we will provide you. We will provide you all the latest projects or latest analysis projects which are going on, right? Uh, I have recently got that project of as a freelancer for a BTR model of Australia, right? I will discuss it with you, right? So everything I can is possible for you. I will show you, right, how to do that, right? So don't worry about it. Just go and register it, right? And make up your mind. You have to go for data analytics or DBA, right? First make up that. Okay.
Okay, sir.
I think it's clear to all of you. Anyone have any question? And if you have still have any question, you can ask Ankush sir tomorrow. Okay.
So we are having a session with Ankush Thawli sir tomorrow. So you can join the session. I will be also there, and we will discuss about this training benefits and everything. Okay. Apart from this training, now we also provide you the resume preparation, LinkedIn Naukri profile. Will help you with the placement assistance. Will help you with the interview calls also.
Great, sir. Right.
Okay.
And we are providing 12 hours of per day support in WhatsApp group and on personal call also, if you need any assistance.
Okay.
Okay, sir.
Okay, everyone. Then
Yeah.
let us wind
Thank
up
you,
here.
sir. Thank you for everyone for
Okay.
joining.
Thank you. Thank you, everyone. Good night.
Thank you,
Good
sir.
night, everyone.
Good night.